guys, how's it going? We got something cool from Vette to install on the 2024 Z06 you see in the background. So let's open this up and check it out. That's really nice. Yeah, let's check these out. These are some rear wheel spacers from Vette Pro Inc. They're pretty neat, pretty solid. They're a 15mm offset. Pretty nice. There's the other one. Pretty cool. And the best thing they say about these is the people who don't want to get involved, there's no cutting of the studs for the offset. We're going to get these installed, check them out, show you how they go on, and let's see how they are. With these, we'll give you a look beforehand, how the tire sits in the well. Always remember to chock at least one of your wheels so your car doesn't go rolling anywhere. Got our jack underneath. Make sure you put it on that puck. Hopefully you have a puck underneath. Your jack pad sits on, and let's start jacking it up. Now for me, I have two jacks, so I'm going to put both sides up at the same time. You don't have to, you can do one and one. This is what it'll look like with one wheel up. I'm not sure if you can see it, but we got both sides in the air. Let's get these wheels off. Keep some pressure underneath this socket. You don't want it to touch the wheel itself and scratch it. Like I said, I can't find my other socket. Hey guys, this is how it's going to look with your wheel off. Maybe do something in the future with that rear emergency brake to color match, because that thing just looks nasty and out of place. You got your wheel off. It's a good time maybe to clean it inside the drum, all around. Mine's not terrible, but it is what it is right now. All right, let's check out these spacers. Gotta take these off first. And like I said, take these off. And the best thing about these is you do not have to cut or modify your OEM studs. So that's a plus, right? That's gloves off. That Pro. Stick these on. Actually blend in and match very nice. And then all we have to do, plug nuts back on and torque them down to 140 foot-pounds, and that's it. Let's get it going. Now I got them hand tight, got my fingers. I'm gonna go around with this. All right, we're over on the other side. It's a little tight over here because I'm against the wall. That's it. I gotta be careful. I'm gonna take this wheel off. Not to hit. Caliper. Roll it out of the way. Same thing. I got our Vette Pro spacers. Get these lug nuts off. Get it on there, and then tighten it down. All right, we got all the lug nuts off, and like I said, the best thing about these is no modification to the lugs themselves. Ready to click, start putting these back on. You're in, use this, get it a little bit more hand tight. Right, let's check it out. Nice fit and finish. All we have to do is torque it up now. All right, let's get these lugs torqued down. 140 pounds, 19mm socket for this. All right, everybody, this is the next side. It's a little tight over here, so we're just gonna finish them off. They are pretty much installed. We'll get the wheel back on, get it down, show you what it looks like. As you see, we got the lugs back on. I just threw a towel in here just in case. I'm gonna torque them up, 140 foot-pounds, and then we'll drop it, show you what it looks like. And yeah, super easy to install. 19mm socket to put the spacers on, and then you'll need your 22 to take your stock lug nuts off. Well, yeah, there you go. We'll get the other side on, torque them up, show you what it looks like. All right, there we go. We're going to torque them up. We're going to lower the car before we do that. All right, guys, car is down. Let's torque them up. See here, 140 foot-pounds. Once again, we're on the other side, 140 foot-pounds. Let's look at the difference now. Definitely flushes it out a lot better. I think it's nice. And right, it's gonna change a little bit because we just dropped it. So we're gonna go out for a little ride and then come back and kind of show it to you. But it looks good so far. I like it. Super easy install. Vette Pro, not having to modify the wheel studs. That's the biggest thing. Is you can get that 15mm offset and not modify the studs. That's a big deal at that offset. Hey guys, so went out for about 30-mile ride, so they should be all settled. I think it looks great. You can see it flushes it out nice. show you another. Definitely recommend checking them out. I'll have these available. I'll put a link in the description. You guys can grab them. No cutting, no modifying, just bolting on.